What's good YouTube? It's your boy Ray, and today we back with another video. So like I said in the last video, if you stay till the end, you know I said I was gonna start the installation of the WideBody kit on the RX8, and that's exactly what we're doing today. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so we're gonna start off today by taking off the spoiler off of the RX8. Just gotta get these two bolts and these two bolts, and then the whole spoiler will be off. So let's get started. Alright, we got the old spoiler off. I broke two bolts. Got that one in there, and then there's one on this side too. Right there. So, broke two bolts, but it's okay because we didn't need them anyway. So now that we got that off, we're gonna try to clean up the outside a little bit. So let's get started on that. Alright, we got that as cleaned up as it's gonna get for now. So what we're gonna go ahead and start doing is gonna take this tape. We're gonna start taping up the surface of the car so we don't scratch the paint. Alright, before we start taping up the car, I just want to let you guys know that I bought this car with the intention of putting some sort of wide body kit on it, and I'm gonna show you why right now. So you've probably noticed in other videos, but we got some real bad rust going on with these rear fenders. It's real bad on this side. So that's why we're going to be cutting all this off and installing the wide body kit. Alright, we got the trunk all taped up. Now, before we start taping up these fenders, I'm going to go ahead and pop out these side marker lights off the front fenders. Alright, should just be one bolt holding it on, but we're gonna find out. And it's a fucking idiot. One down, one to go. Two down. Alright, we got both side marker lights off, so now we're going to continue with the taping up of the fenders. Alright, one fender down, three to go. Alright, so ran out of tape, so I had to take a quick break, but we got some more, so we about to get right back into it. Alright, got the car completely taped up. Alright, so now Time to put these fenders on and see how they fit. All right, we're gonna start with this fender. See how this goes. All right, we're looking good so far. All right, we got the fender taped on there, so guess it's time for the scary part, and we're gonna get the drill, start drilling some holes. All right, I'm real nervous right now, but as you can see, we got the drill, so we about to do this. All right, got the first fender on. Got 3 screws in it right now. That's all that's holding it on, but it's looking good. It's looking real good so far. Now we're gonna move on to putting the other ones on. All right, got the final piece here. All right, that's all the pieces to the puzzle. Everything is on. All right, took me some time to get the car taped up, but we got all the pieces to the WideBody kit on the car. I haven't cut any fenders or anything else. I just got them all lined up and got them on the car so I could see what it looked like and I could mark out where I need to cut. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like now. she's looking pretty good. Man, I love that duckbill spoiler on this car. Ooh-wee. Alright, so yeah, got all the pieces on. I'm debating whether I want to put the wheels on and test fit them, see what they look like, but I'm not sure yet. Alright, so I decided that I was going to test fit the wheels. I'm not going to show you guys the wheels yet because I'm not ready to reveal them, but I'm going to show you the fitment in the front and the rear. The fitment in the front is alright. In the back, I'm probably gonna have to run a spacer, but we'll see. But take a look. Alright, I got the stock wheels back on. Now I'm about to just throw the car cover on and call it a day. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. So if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, leave a comment. Make sure that you're subscribed and you guys stay tuned for what we got coming up next. Thank you for watching.